This episode is brought to you by Alibaba.com, the world's leading B2B e-commerce marketplace. They'll help your business stay competitive and discover new, innovative, and affordable products from over 200,000 suppliers and manufacturers worldwide. And with their trade assurance, you can shop with peace of mind. No more worrying about international payments, delayed shipments, and convoluted refund policies. Even customized orders receive protection. The world of business is waiting for you. Visit Alibaba.com.
I'm so sorry, ma'am. I know you need this medicine, but it looks like it's not covered by your insurance.
Yeah, unfortunately, I had to deny that one.
Wait, who are you?
I'm your insurance company's pharmacy benefit manager. I get paid based on the price of a medicine, and I don't make as much money off this one.
No one should stand between you and your medicine. Visit phrma.org/middleman to learn more. Paid for by Pharma.
This is Optimal Startup Daily, episode 986. 5 instances when taking on a business loan makes perfect sense, by Kalen Bruce of MoneyMiniBlog.com. And I am Dan, your host here at OSD, and this is the show where I read to you every single day, including weekends and holidays, from some great blogs on entrepreneurship and business. And let's jump right into it now as we hear from one of our regular authors, Kalen Bruce, and Optimize Your Life. 5 instances when taking on a business loan makes perfect sense, by Kalen Bruce of MoneyMiniBlog.com. Business development usually demands an infusion of money. Regardless, not everything that you plan business-wise is worth taking on a business loan. This should be a decision that is closely analyzed and debated previously. But when enterprises need extra money to grow, a business loan will make a huge difference. When businesses don't gain revenue because of some sort of internal deficiencies, a business loan might offer the needed financial boost for fixing this. Debt is not something inherently bad. Experts say that one should make a decision like this when it can fuel business development. Following are 5 of those scenarios when taking on a business loan might be the best decision. 1. You want to expand your product portfolio. Whether you want to diversify your product portfolio or you want to carry more inventory on current products in your offer, you need money for an investment this big. In some cases, when the enterprise itself is manufacturing the products, a similar decision might translate into changes in production lines and production flow. Small business loans are perfect for such instances, especially if your business doesn't generate enough revenue currently with the product in your portfolio. Expanding product portfolio involves other investments as well. The business owner might see themselves forced to buy a second location or even a storage unit to display or store their new products. One investment leads to another, in this case, and small business loans are the perfect banking products that will offer your enterprise the necessary financial boost to carry such interventions. 2. You want to boost your employee number. Business expansion usually translates into a need for hiring more employees. While business owners usually tend to neglect their personal life and focus entirely on their business, this isn't advisable. Instead of neglecting their well-being, entrepreneurs should look forward to hiring more employees. Hiring new employees is a certain way of expanding your business in a healthy and efficient manner without neglecting your managing duties. Skilled and properly trained employees will benefit your business, and searching for this type of workforce is usually worth spending more money on their wages and benefits. Great employees will help your business grow in revenue, but the employee recruitment process has to be professionally handled for higher rates of success. Hiring a recruitment agency is the first step for a seamless recruitment experience. Entrepreneurs should expect further expenses with training the new workforce and covering their wages until the company starts to generate higher revenue. For a small business with restricted financial capabilities, taking out a business loan will be a wise decision in this particular case. 3. You want to build a strong credit score. Applying for larger scale financing in the future is a process that needs to be carefully handled, according to the Lone Star professionals. Starting with smaller loans and banking products is a good solution for building a stronger credit score and becoming more eligible for larger banking solutions in the future. Apply for short-term business loans several years prior to applying for larger ones. Young small businesses usually have a difficult time applying for larger loans, and starting to cement your credit score in advance is a great solution. Having a strong credit history report also helps. Take out a smaller loan and make sure to make regular on-time payments. This will help you build a strong financial position and a strong credit history report. Experts say, however, that entrepreneurs shouldn't take on a loan too big for their financial capabilities. Start small and work your way up. In the process, you will end up developing some relationships that will help you in the long run. 4. You want to implement a strong marketing campaign. Having a strong marketing campaign will influence the success of your business locally and beyond. While marketing doesn't have to be expensive, you will still need some financial resources. Also, ideally, you would approach your marketing campaigns on multiple levels, from online marketing, including influencer advertising and influencer guest blog posts, to offline marketing, starting with flyers and brochures and continuing with billboards for more local exposure. Collaborating with a marketing agency can become a costly intervention, especially if you plan for something long-term. The extra cash influx in your business accounts will offer you the necessary resources to invest in complex and efficient marketing campaigns. And 5, you need more space. Location expansion might become necessary when your company thrives. Outgrowing your business premises demands a larger location. However, even if your business is thriving, it doesn't mean that you have the necessary resources on hand to simply move to a larger office or factory. In this case, you might want to think about getting a term loan. The upfront charges on the location, pickup, and move are consistent, and small businesses usually face difficulties in finding that money soon enough. But term loans are accessible enough. A similar banking solution will be perfect for this purpose. Choosing the perfect small business loan. With the current diversity on the business loan market, entrepreneurs might face difficulties when choosing the banking product and banking institution for their needs. Loan comparison platforms have become a trusted tool for a growing number of entrepreneurs over the past few years. Some platforms of this kind have global reach, helping entrepreneurs find the desired product regardless of their location. Besides, their suggestions are impartial and unbiased and are based on a series of independent consumer reviews. Comparison platforms have grown to become, over the years, trusted information resources that feature insightful information and articles on a series of topics, including the selection process of different types of loans and banking institutions. While taking on a business loan for your small business is not a daily occurrence, in some circumstances, this may be the only solution entrepreneurs have to fuel their enterprise's growth and development. You just listened to the post titled, 5 Instances When Taking on a Business Loan Makes Perfect Sense, by Kalen Bruce of MoneyMiniBlog.com.
This episode is brought to you by Alibaba.com, the world's leading B2B e-commerce marketplace. They'll help your business stay competitive and discover new, innovative, and affordable products from over 200,000 suppliers and manufacturers worldwide. And with their trade assurance, you can shop with peace of mind. No more worrying about international payments, delayed shipments, and convoluted refund policies. Even customized orders receive protection. The world of business is waiting for you. Visit Alibaba.com.
I'm so sorry, ma'am. I know you need this medicine, but it looks like it's not covered by your insurance.
Yeah, unfortunately, I had to deny that one.
Wait, who are you?
I'm your insurance company's pharmacy benefit manager. I get paid based on the price of a medicine, and I don't make as much money off this one.
No one should stand between you and your medicine. Visit phrma.org/middleman to learn more. Paid for by Pharma.
And a big thank you to Kalen today for tackling what can be a pretty tricky topic for a lot of business owners. And a little bit more about Kalen. He is the creator of MoneyMiniBlog, as I mentioned, and he and his wife had $24,000 of debt that they wanted to get out from under. So he became a student of finances. The couple is now debt-free and building wealth, and he shares what he's learned over the years with you on MoneyMiniBlog.com. He also talks about productivity, personal finance, and much, much more. And you can find a ton of great resources on his site, which again is MoneyMiniBlog.com. And thanks so much to Kalen for letting us share his work across our network of podcasts. But I think that's going to do it for today. I thank you as always for being here. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll have another great post for you tomorrow. And that's where your optimal life awaits.